Look at the guy behind you. Look at the guy back there. He's got his walking with his helmet on. That's awesome.
Wants you to hold her tight. Hold it. I'm like, hold me, you don't want to fall.
Moto Kitty at the track, getting some love.
I don't want to look. Oh, it's like picture time?
Is it video there?
Little Himalayan kitty.
Yeah, I need to take the picture of her.
You're out of here?
I'm gonna go ride.
Where's your pit at? Oh yeah, just around the corner.
Yeah.
All right, I'll come say hello. Thanks for
right,
stopping
good
in.
to
Scoot away. Anyways, we're at Laguna Seca. It's a little windy, but really nice sunshine. And Moto Kitty's getting some attention. And I'm doing maintenance on the BMW. Yeah, all right.
Sit down, bro, don't sit. How's it going?
So we're back to the scene of the crime.
The scene of the crime?
The scene of Maya's crime.
Maya got her. Well, at least this time they cut the grass, but even if they cut it, I don't want her to go there.
No, of course not.
Yeah.
But that's
The grass was like tall like that, and I'm just not familiar with ticks. Because Maya never had any, and never had that tall of a grass
Poor
either.
Mimi,
So.
I'm so sorry, babe. I know.
God. It's really sunny outside right now, right?
Yeah, was
Your eyes, it hurts your eyes?
No.
There you go. You look lovely. I like your purple shirt. What are you gonna do, kitty? Maya the Explorer.
Maya.
She's never experienced shells before or the ocean.
The Himalayan flame point, that's why she has a flat face.
Oh.
She's tired.
Have you
She's
been
walked
there?
almost like 100 meters.
I could see you again.
Oh yeah.
Neiven, the R3.
Oh yeah, that's right. The legend himself right here.
That's right.
No power.
Loud exhaust.
Hey,
Oh yeah, that's a lot of exhaust. I do remember that.
not letting off. Take it down.
You're just getting something so old, 2000. And I determined it was just too big. The bus is just it's too big, and the problems that you can have can cost you all my profit.
An arm and leg.
So if you have a radiator oil cooler combined fail, one guy said it cost him 10 grand. And you're always at these heavy duty repair shops.
Yeah, because none of those parts are light.
You have to go to a big shop, and instead of being 100 an hour, it's 150 an hour at a heavy duty shop, right? And the other problem is, the more and more you research, you realize The buses are just, they're made on an assembly line of like, they make one at a time or they make 5 at a time, right? So they're building a box on a chassis, and everything can go wrong with them because it's not like a truck that's on an assembly line where they build 100 a day, which means fine details are really narrowed down where I do this one thing. That's the modern age assembly line. And so that's why trucks are very reliable, or cars and everything. But when you have a bus that they make 5 at a time, everything they screw up. They just screw everything up. Yeah. See, this one's wearing a little on the inside, but that one's, the back is always worse. If I could rotate the tires, that would be best, but I don't have
just our luck, right?
We can use the Nomar. So MB, what we have is on the rear tire, it's always wearing on the inside. So this is the front, which is not as worn, but if you look at this one from my angle, you'll see that it's really worn on the inside of both. Because the rear tires just get dragged as you turn. It's always, they're fighting against each other. So you got to rotate these tires often, and this is why Neiven and I were just talking about how I want to get the 16-inch rims on the next trailer and get truck tires on my trailer.
Yeah.
Kind of like a semi-truck tire trailer, just not quite the 23.5.
Yeah, you're not always changing tires. Cause look at this. These don't have like a lot of meat on them.
There's such cheap tires too, and it's illegal to have car tires for some reason. You have to have a trailer tire, and the trailer.
But for the weight, right?
No, it's just their bullshit rules of bureaucracy.
Well,
I mean, you could put a car tire on these, 50, and it would be better, but it's illegal. It has to be a trailer tire.
Because Marcel was saying that his truck probably weighs about 13,000 pounds right now. So think about it. If those tires can carry that weight,
Yeah.
I mean, you put that tire on this car with the matching rim. I mean, on the trailer with the matching rim, it's gonna the durability is gonna be higher and longer longevity. You're changing tires like what, every 5, 6, 7, 8 years instead of every year with these.
Yeah.
The amount of money you save. I mean, the initial cost up front is gonna be a little bit, you know. But you save money in the long run, so.
Well, and really the problem's on the side of the road that you want to prevent, because that can kill you.
Yeah, with the type of mileage
on
you
the
guys.
side of the highway, trying to change a tire in the rain, nightmare, right?
That's right.
You know those times when you're like, oh, I wish I had this tool, or I wish I had that Loctite, or I wish I had these pliers, and you're like, I would have so spent the money if I had these. And so when you buy all these tools up front, and you're like, well, I don't have this special pair of pliers, and here it is on the shelf, wow, it's $100, or Eric, what about like a gauge for your engine to measure your compression, right? Well, do I need to spend $200? Do I actually need a freaking compression tool? But when you want it and you have it, you're so glad you did. Because then you're like, oh, I needed this tool. And that's the same thing with wheels and stuff. Pushing or accidents happen too.
Yeah, that freaking sucks.
What are you up to, Marcel? Editing?
What do you mean? Yeah.
Turn around.
Oh, just working here. Neiven's hanging out, learning about editing. I'm editing FP4 right now from Utah. And this is my launch control not working. Here, watch. You'll see when I launch. It's ridiculous.
It was like a bad start, yeah.
See how fucked up that is?
didn't work.
No, it didn't.
Work anymore. It's the clutch. Something wrong with the clutch. I need to.
The car in front of us, this wheel,
Yeah,
is
look
about
at
to
that.
fly out.
The left rear wheel and the front left wheel are doing the dance.
Yeah.
So when he was going fast, the whole car was shaking apart. His trunk and his bumper were like shaking all over the place. Too funny. We need to be on the left side of him. I'll switch lanes.
I'm just worried that he's gonna lose his wheel somehow.
Oh yeah, so we don't want to be. Whoa! This guy almost hit my trailer.
What?
On the left. He literally almost hit my trailer. Like he didn't see my trailer. He just almost turned into it.
Yeah, you see the dance.
Wristbands. So that's.
Racetrack is more expensive than strip club.
Depends on what trip. Depends on how long you stay. Yep.
Yeah.
What you're doing. You take home with you. Yeah. Okay, we're at Chuckwalla.
Candy store.
Candy store.
Candy store. I want all of those toys, please. Maya, first time in the desert. Maya. What are you looking at? Maya? It's hot in here, huh? 107 Fahrenheit. Boiling. Maya brought her fur coat. She kind of regretted. Where's your bikini, Maya?
Doing a selfie. So qualifying is coming up next. It's really windy out. Very windy. Out? Yeah. Yeah, they wouldn't let me out in the next group.
Really?
I wanted to go out on the second fastest group.
Yeah. Which wasn't
They're
that
like, no,
fast.
you can't. I mean, a lot of clubs let you go out in both groups if you're, especially if you sign up for 4 or 5 races, like, you know, double the races of some people.
Right. Hey, would it be cool if you like a picture?
Oh, absolutely. You need a fan out here.
Where's your big fan?
I don't have one.
I thought
One
you
in the
did.
trailer, that's it.
So if you guys are stressed before your race,
That's 2 again. 1?
yeah, 2. You take 2 Confiance out. Takes 20 minutes to react in your body, and it releases you from all your stress and help you to focus. So Marcel is a little bit nervous. Been a while. He's been in Chuckwalla.
Got a lot of speed to make up.
Yeah.
This 10-minute practice, useless.
Yeah. We wish, you know, we could have a
FP3, FP4, where's those go?
not just that, if yesterday was not 107 Fahrenheit, you would have done the track day, but now it's like, this lens is so zoomed, I have to back up. There you go.
It's so windy and my neighbor removed his canopy. Yeah, that's the sun life. Sunny days.
Come on, Marcel. Win that race. Marcel. Yeah, he has his music on, huh? What position? You're alive. What position? Take your time. People are just waiting. What position? 6?
Oh, I don't know. That race just was so stupid.
You couldn't see anything out there?
No, I could see. It's just it was so. It's like a dirt track, and my tires just were not working at all.
Oh.
Don't make excuses about your tires.
How
How you doing? Good. Joe's friend, Jig's dad.
That's right. That's
How are
right.
you?
Good.
What are you doing out here?
We're just, you know, nomading around.
Nice.
And we'll come out to the.
Got lost in the desert and like say, oh, why not racing, right? That's a joke. Good you.
Marianne.
Marianne. Hi, Marianne. Jake's appeared at the wall. We noticed you out there.
He's
Nice.
Hey, Nick
Awesome.
you and Nick almost had a good little dice there at the end. The orange bike. He's right behind you.
on like a Ducati.
He's on it's an R1. It's just all orange and white.
It was
like
red. Woo! I decided to skip this race, and you can see why. Can't hear anything I'm saying. No, what do you mean? This is the warm-up lap, right? Whoa, it's dusty out there. Look at that! I could be out there right now. Man, I sure made the best call ever. That was the smartest move ever. There's Oleg. Hey guys, come on, the race is starting. There's no way I'm catching Tony. Oh, there she got her. She won. She got her cart.
Second call, race number 12.
Sand in my eyes. I just got sunglasses like all my legs. Start. My shoes are full of sand. Inside. In my mouth.
Look at the guy behind you. Look at the guy back there. He's got his walking with his helmet on. That's awesome.
Maya, who told you could be on the table? Get out. Yeah, you know. Come on. Come on, kitty. Come here. Come here if you don't want to be in trouble. Hey. Yeah, exactly.
She's in trouble. She doesn't feel like she's in trouble.
Will it all matter? Well, if the weather does change, it won't matter as far as this Grand Prix goes, but it would have given them, especially the likes of KTM, you know, looking at the situation